all distinguished dignitaries, invitees, and all my dear friends. I am happy to know that on Bitumen Forum's initiative, the Rex Fuels Bitumen and Bitumen Modification Conference is being held in collaboration with Central Road Research Institute on 25th November 2021. The theme of the conference is New Technology for Better Roads. I understand that Bitumen Forum, which is a non-profit organization, is a group of professionals and all stakeholders of the bitumen road construction industry. It is highly appreciated that the main objective of the forum is to make good quality and durable roads in India. I also understand that this conference would bring together all the key stakeholders of Indian bitumen industry such as manufacturers, end customers, technical consultants and regulatory bodies under one platform. It is very appreciated that this conference is going to focus on new technologies, upgrade the present ones, and develop on overall awareness and demand for quality products and services for making better, longer lasting roads in India. The future is for performance grade design, hence, industry members should concentrate on modification of bitumen so that not only the life of the roads must improve, but also the driving comfort and safety improves. India presently needs around 7 million tons of bitumen and domestically produces 5 million tons. As our country has extreme weathers, there is a need to modify bitumen so that the road does not deteriorate. And we also have to increase our investment in road and development and develop new products which cut cost and increase road life. The raw materials such as aggregates and bitumens both are non-renewable resources of energy. Currently, so many road construction projects are delayed due to non-availability of good quality of aggregates. We have used steel slag and chrome slag based aggregates successfully in the test sections. Landslide material is also being used in one such study that CRRI doing in Himalayan region, and research is also underway on development of biobinder as replacement to bitumen. In construction of 1 kilometer road, the amount of CO2 emission that take place are equivalent to the pollution done by 210 passenger cars running annually. We need such technologies which can save natural resources and as well as reduce pollution levels. The technologies like stabilization pavement, recycling warm mixed asphalt and use of waste plastic and flash should be adopted. In warm mixed technology, the temperature of road construction is reduced from 160 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius, due to which CO2 emission reduces to great extent and fuel consumption reduces to 40%. The big challenge is that many bitumen roads are failing early and not able to live up to the design's life. We need strict quality measures in place for bitumen production for better roads. India should adopt performance grading specification for bitumen roads so that bitumen to be used is selected on the basis of temperature and traffic loading. Waste to wealth and waste to energy is one of the important sustainable solutions to tackle environmental issues. Recycling of bituminous pavement material and aggregate is possible with the help of proven technology and can be reused in construction. Crumb rubber modified bitumen (CRMB) is an environmentally friendly material which improves riding quality, skid resistance, and reduce noise level from pavement. It would solve the disposal problem of waste tires. There is a need to improve the life of bitumen roads. Suitable repairing technology need to be adopted. Our major focus is on time-bound, cost-effective development of highways without compromising quality and sustainability. A collective effort of all stakeholders would bring remarkable improvement in climate resilient development in the country. With these few words, I once again thank organizer for inviting me at the conference and providing a platform to share my perspectives on Indian bitumen ecosystem. I wish you all safe, happy and prosperous life ahead. Thank you very much. Namaskar.